Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for chemical industry. So here let's suppose that I have a fertilizer store and to promote my store I am using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for chemical industry. So here let's say that I have a fertilizer store and I'm promoting my store with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead is received, then I want that the details of this new lead should be added in my Google Sheet in a new row. So now to do this, I will have to integrate these applications, for which I can use this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button. So you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple actions, and action is an automated response of your trigger application. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for chemical industry. So here in this trigger window, as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads, and here it is. Now I will select the trigger event that will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So I'm selecting it. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event. Now moving to my action window. So over here, as I want to add the details of the lead in a Google Sheet, so here I'm going to use my action application as Google Sheets, and here it is. And the action event will be to add new row. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with the action application and the action event. So now here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I will go to my trigger window. Firstly, I have to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. So here in one of my tabs, I have logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that the connection has been established. Now moving to page and lead gen form. So here I need to select my Facebook page that I have created for my business. And over here I need to select a lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Facebook, you can see that this is the page which I have created by the name of Agro Fertilizers. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the page as Agro Fertilizers, and here it is. So now moving to lead gen form. So here in Meta Business Suite, I will go to all tools. And in all tools, I will go to instant forms. So here, this is the form that I've created for my page, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to show you the form. So now I want to use this lead ad form. So as the lead ad form name is Agro Fertilizers, and here in lead gen form, I've selected the same. So now as I've selected my page and the lead gen form, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. So as I did that, now you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded over here in this webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So here I'm in a new tab. I'm going to search for Meta for Developers and here it is. I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And now in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to scroll down and over here, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool and this tool is going to test our integration. So you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here in page, I'm going to select my page as agro fertilizers. So I'm searching for it and here it is. Now I will select the form that is agro fertilizers. Here I'm going to click on preview form. So here this is how the form looks like and I have added the details as well. So I've added the details of a test lead. So here I'm now going to click on next and now I will click on submit. Thanks, you are all set and over here it says your test lead has been sent. That means this test lead details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I will take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I have received a response. Here is the full name. Here is the phone number along with the email, created time and with some other details. So that means the details of this test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving ahead, as I've got the details of the test lead which I've just created. So here as I want to add the details of the test lead in my Google Sheets. So here I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I will add a new connection. For that, I will simply sign in with Google. So here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. Now moving to these fields. So firstly, I have to select the spreadsheet and select the sheet. So here this is the Google Sheet which I have created. So over here you can see the name of the Google Sheet as Facebook Leads New and it consists of 3 columns. One is of lead email, second is of lead name and third one is of phone number. And in this Google Sheet, there is only one sheet. So now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and over here I'm going to search for my spreadsheet. So here it is. And as it consists only of one sheet, so over here it is automatically selected. So now moving to these fields of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to map the details from the response I've received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to map the email and I've mapped it. Now I'm going to map the name. I've mapped the name as well. Moving to the phone number, again I'm going to map it from the response that I've. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request to see the response. So here you can see that I have received a response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Google Sheets. And here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the test lead which I've created through Facebook lead ad is successfully added here in this Google Sheet in a new row. Here is the lead email, here's the lead name, and here is the phone number. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Now, whenever a lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added in Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.